The earthquake.
Everyone,
My name is Rashmi Azabala.
and Zach Alexander Emayati. Today we're talking about natural phenomena that can strike at any moment. Earthquakes.
Living in the Philippines, we know how culture to be prepared.
Let's dive into what you need to do before an earthquake strikes.
Secure your surroundings. Bolt down heavy furniture like bookshelves and cabinets.
Make sure heavy objects are on high shelves where they can fall.
Create an emergency kit. This should include water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, a flashlight with extra batteries, a whistle, and a battery-powered radio.
Don't forget copies of important documents and some cash.
Identify a safe spot in your home, school, or workplace.
Stay sturdy tables or desks where you can drop, cover, and hold on. Also, know the unsafe spot like near windows, outside doors, or walls.
Your head and neck with arms and get under the sturdy base of furniture, like table or desk. If no shelter is available, drop to an inside and next to low-lying furniture.
Shelter until the shaking stops. Be prepared to move with your shelter if it shakes.
If you're outdoors, move to an open area from buildings, power lines, and trees.
If you're in a vehicle, pull over to clear location and stay inside until the shaking stops.
Shaking has stopped, but the danger isn't over. There was to do after an earthquake.
And others for injuries. Administer first aid if needed.
Be prepared for aftershocks. They can be just as strong as the main wave.
If you're inside, carefully check for structural damage, gas leaks, and down outlines.
If you suspect a leak, open windows and evacuate immediately.
Need to evacuate, follow designated evacuation routes and listen to emergency personnel.
Be prepared isn't just about individual action. It's about community effort. Here's how you can
Participate actively in government-led earthquake drills and community preparedness programs.
The more we practice, the more resilient we become.
An awareness campaign. Share what you learned today with your friends, family, and neighbors. Spread the word about earthquake safety.
Voluntary evacuation or relief operations if you have the capacity and have received proper training. Every helping hand makes a difference.
Are predictable, but their impact doesn't have to be devastating if we are prepared.
Let us commit not being earthquake ready. For ourselves, our families, and our communities, stay safe and stay strong.
I'm Lemuel Siwa Pili.
I'm Project B. Andigang.
And I'm Zed Alexander Valiente.
I'm just wondering.
And I'm Angela Feliz Alvaro.
I'm Rashmi Mabaton.
and I'm Bertalion. I'm Lilis Anthony.
Until next time, be